Hi, Pizza Doctor here. So today I'm excited to bring you a different style of pizza called Pizza Montanera. We first learned about this pizza when we were traveling in Naples, Italy, and stopped by a little roadside restaurant, and they brought this out and we couldn't believe how good it was. Basically, what's better than fried dough? We all love it. But this is just an incredible process of taking that initial fried dough, finishing it off in a fashion that would be similar to a margherita pizza, and then finishing it off in a pizza oven. So you'll see how we do that here. The traditional way of doing it is with smoked mozzarella. My family is not a fan of the smoked mozzarella, so we're going to use traditional whole milk mozzarella that's not smoked, and we'll get that going here in a second. But I've been looking forward to this for a while, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. It is a little bit of additional work, but it's definitely worth it. So here we go.
Non chiudrai farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando a riposo, narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando a riposo, narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Fra guerrieri può far bacco, grande stacchi stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, muso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante. Ed invece del fandango una marcia per il fango, per montagne, per valloni, con le nevi e salioni, al concerto di tromboni, di bombarde e di cannoni, che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, non più avrai quel cappello, non più avrai quella chioma, non più avrai quell'aria brillante, non più avrai farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girato, delle belle turbando a riposo, narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando a riposo, narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar. Cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar. Alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar. Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando a riposo, narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando a riposo, narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei pannacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non chiudrai farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando a riposo, narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando a riposo, narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Fra guerrieri può far bacco, grande stacchi stretto sacco.
So here we have our smaller pizza dough ball, and we're going to be using this for our fried pizza. So normally we would with our regular pizza, we'd be pushing this out to the outer rim. But for this one, we're going to just not have that because we don't want that puffed up rim on the outside. So we're just going to flatten it out here.
Ed invece del fandango una marcia per il fango.
And then you'll see once we get it to the size that we want, we're going to put some holes in it so that the oil can go through.
Non più avrai quei pennacchini, non più avrai quel cappello, non più avrai.
And then we're just going to use the edge of our bench scraper. Or you could use a fork. So I just staged them here on this platter. Now, the reason why I'm doing this outside is because, number one, it's a beautiful day, but number two, I did this once inside, and that fried dough smell stayed with us for quite a while. As wonderful as it does smell when you first do it, it's not something you want to wake up to. Show you what this looks like. You can see how puffed up that is. Pillowy soft. So what I did here is I fried up all 5, and you can see 3 of them here, beautifully puffed out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the pizzas now. I'm going to finish them off in my electric pizza oven.
Giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adugino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adugino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante.
This one I decided to just put the basil on after, and I really like finishing it in the pizza oven. I've seen some versions where they just do the deep frying and then they top it after that, but I think this gives us a nice golden crust, as you can see here. Hi, so we finished our fried pizza and nobody got burned. What a night. It was awesome to the very end. Everyone enjoyed it. The pizza was phenomenal. I'm telling you that if you try this, you'll never want to go back to regular pizza. But it is a little bit more work to do it. I would say to you that keep in mind that you want to make those pizza balls a little bit, the dough balls a little bit smaller, about 190 grams, maybe 185, 190. That you want to make sure that the oil is hot before you put the pizza in, because if you don't, the dough won't cook up right. You'll see that nice puff forming, and I like to finish it off in a pizza oven because I think it really dries it off, and there wasn't a bit of greasiness on that at the end. So you'll see my little surprise at the end here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below if you want to give me a shout out, and if you want to get future notifications about videos that I'll be making, please subscribe and turn on your notifications. I look forward to bringing more videos to you soon. Have a great evening. Buonasera.
Al concetto di tromboni, di bombardie, di cannoni, che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, non più avrai quel cappello, non più avrai quella chioma, non più avrai quell'aria brillante, non più avrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girato, delle belle tornando a riposo, Narcisetto Adolgino d'amor, delle belle tornando a riposo, Narcisetto Adolgino d'amor.